Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer Bitcoin from TrustWallet to your Binance. Let's begin. So, first thing that I'm gonna do is I will get my Bitcoin wallet address here in Binance. Take note that I'm using desktop version, so I have Binance.com, but you can actually do this on your Binance app and Trust Wallet app that you've installed on your smartphones. So, for starters, I am just going to access my wallet. Most of the time, people would no it actually depends on which wallet that you stored all your crypto. In my case, I'm using my funding wallet. To locate your Binance wallet, this is how you're going to do it. So for those who are first time in cryptocurrency, you guys, and this is how you can locate. So it's defaulted to Bitcoin network. Of course, you use Bitcoin network, it would auto populate what your Bitcoin wallet is. So since I have that, I'm just going to copy. Now I'm going to Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet, so I'm just gonna choose my Bitcoin that I have in here, and then I choose send. So there are two options you can see there, send and receive. So of course I'm gonna be depositing or sending the Bitcoin to my Binance. Just paste the Bitcoin wallet that you've sent. So say for example, I'm just gonna, just for tutorial purposes, I'm just gonna be sending this amount. Let's see if it will accept, hopefully. And please bear in mind that there's going to be network fees associated in all transfers, or I would say most transfers that you'll have from different wallets to Binance. So since I already have the details, I'm just going to confirm that. And then, I'm just going to be putting the passcode. So guys, for this one, just for security purposes, I cannot put my passcode, of course. But this is the last step that you would have here. After pressing this one, you will be able to get a confirmation that it has been successfully transferred or deposited. So when I will go to my wallet, so this is how you're going to check if it was already there. You could check funding wallet and then go back where you actually store your Bitcoin, and then this is where you can see if it's already been posted. You can also check through transaction history if it's deposited. So transaction history would actually look like this one. We're in all of your transactions from depositing to deposit. So this is how it would look like. That's it. So I hope you learned something today. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.